Please state your full name for the record.
Darryl Ian Edwards.
How old are you?
I am 25.
When is your birthday?
It's March 19th, 1989.
And your address?
It's 157 and a half East Lincoln Highway. It's in DeKalb.
Okay. And what do you do for a living?
Well, I was a clerk at the campus mail service before I was arrested.
So you were arrested on January 6th of this year, correct?
Yes.
And as a result of that arrest, you were indicted on 1 count of narcotics trafficking and 1 count of possession of a controlled substance, correct?
Yes.
At that time, did your lawyer explain the charges against you?
Yes, she did.
And at that time, did you understand the nature of both charges?
Yes, I did.
What was your original plea then?
Not guilty.
To both accounts?
Correct.
And on February 17th, you changed your plea to guilty on the count of possession of a controlled substance, did you not?
That's correct.
Under what circumstances did you agree to plead guilty?
The state's attorney said he would drop the trafficking charge if I just pled out to the possession charge.
Did your lawyer explain to you the consequences of pleading guilty?
Yes, she did.
And do you understand that if you plead guilty, you give up all claims of innocence and will be subject to any and all sanctions the court sees fit to administer for this crime, correct?
Yes, I do.
Did anyone coerce, bribe, threaten, or otherwise force you to make this plea?
No.
Did anyone promise you anything or bestow any benefit to you, monetary or otherwise, to convince you to make this plea?
Well, I mean, other than dropping the trafficking charge, no.
So it is safe to say that you made this plea freely and of your own volition?
Yes.
You have been made aware of in order for the court to accept your guilty plea, you'll be required to make an allocution statement. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you have chosen to make that statement via this video, which will subsequently be played for both members of court services and then to the judge in open court at your sentencing hearing, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Then please describe for the court the events leading up to your arrest on January 6, 2015.
All right, a few weeks before Christmas, I asked a coworker of mine, Susan, to pick up a package while she was on vacation in Mexico. The package contained prescription medication. When I got back to work, she told me she had the package, and we went out to her car to get it. And that's when I was arrested by 2 detectives from the DeKalb Police Force. She didn't know what was in the package until she had actually gotten arrested a week before. I didn't have a prescription for what was inside the package, so I was charged with trafficking and possession. I was planning to sell the medication to students using the campus mail system. I'm real sorry for Susan. I regret any of the problems that this has caused for her. She had no idea what was going on and never would have gotten involved with anything illegal. And I can't blame her for turning me in. She's got a family to think about. She'd never do anything illegal, for crying out loud. You know, I'm sorry that I got caught, but I'm not sorry, honestly, because all I was trying to do was help students get medication that they couldn't get through the health services. It's not my fault some of these kids decided to get high. I mean, I didn't mean to hurt anybody, but I didn't think helping people was something that was considered wrong. There, that's it, I guess.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.